Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, my name is Dirga Ramadan Mustafa from the D4 Accounting Study Program Class B. I would like to present a statement of financial position and statement of earnings. Okay. Statement of financial position at December 31 in millions, assets, cash and equivalents. In 2006, $13,485. In 2005, $18,278. Investment securities in 2006, $67,833. In 2005, $61,890. Current receivables in 2006, $7,290. In 2005, $6,870 and 70. Inventories in 2006, $3,444. In 2005, $3,281. Financing receivables in 2006, $121,189. In 2005, $113,871. Insurance receivables in 2006, $2,560. Okay. In 2005, 2,187. Other receivables in 2006, $985. In 2005, 1,009. Property, plant and equipment net in 2006, $46,500. In 2005, $44,875. Investment in 2006, $18,320. In 2005, same, $18,320. Okay. Intangible assets in 2006, $19,836. In 2005, $7,998. All other assets in 2006, $65,871. In 2005, $62,755. Total assets in 2006, $360,880. In 2005, $351,334. Okay, next account. Liabilities and equity. Short-term borrowings. In 2006, $95,531. In 2005, $92,736. Accounts payable in 2006, 12,894. In 2005, 10,209. Progress collection 2,890,000. And in 2005, 3,897. Dividends payable in 2005, 1,155. In 2005, 1,102. All other current costs and expenses accurate 9,000 in 2006, 9,598. In 2005, 8,293. Long-term borrowings in 2006, 75,728. In 2005, okay, 70,354. Insurance liabilities reserve and annuity benefits. And benefits 85,389. In 2005, 84,283. In all other liabilities, 37,000 in 2006, 37,487. In 2005, 33,763. Deferred income taxes in 2006, 12,736. In 2005, 318,000 80,830 14,000. In 2005, 14,198. Total liabilities in 2006, $333,408. And dollars. And in 2005, 318,835. Next account. Okay, minority interest in equity of consolidated affiliates. In 2005, 2,374. In 2005, 2,179. Common stock in 2006, 1,214. In 2005, 1,214. Accumulate gain losses net in 2006, 2,100, 189. In 2005, 2,427. Other capital in 2006, 9,827. In 2005, 9,834. Retained earnings in 2005 and in 2006, 30,545. In 2005, 29,772. Less common stock held in treasury. In 2006, 12,739. In 2005, 12,927. Total share owner equity in 2006, 31,036. In 2005, 30,320. Total liabilities and equity in 2006, 366,880 dollars, $18. Okay, in 2005, 351 and 51,334 dollars. Statement of earnings for the years ended December 31 in millions per share amounts in dollars. Revenues, sales of goods in 2006, $80,746. In 2005, $78,847. In 2004, $74,387. Sales of service in 2006, 4,384. In 2005, 4,267. In 2004, 5,925. Other income in 2006, 1,212. In 2005, 1,434. In 2004, 1,228. Total revenues in 2006, 86, 86, 86,342. In 2005, 84,548. In 2004, 81,540. Cost, cost and expense, cost expenses. Cost of goods sold in 2006, 28,659. In 2005, 27,498. In 2004, 25,728. Cost of service sold in 2006, 4,112. In 2005, 4,255. In 2004, 5,601. Interest and financial charge in 2006, 8,518. In 2005, 8,855. In 2004, 8,645. Insurance losses and policyholder and annuity benefits in 2006, 10,372. In 2005, 10,137. In 2004, 9,928. Okay, previ Provision for losses of financing receivable. In 2006, 4,374. In 2005, for 561. In 2004, 400, 400, 4,612. Other costs and expenses. Expense. In 2006, 16,811. 11. Oh yeah, 11. In 2005, 16,735. 35. In 2004, 14,480 and 80. Okay. Minority interest in net earning of consolidated affiliates. In 2006, 215. In 2005, 188. And in 2004, 195. Total total cost and apa nih? Total cost and expenses in 2006, it's 70 73 7,300 for a 61. In 2005, 62,229. In 2004, 6,900. 6,900. 69,000. 150,89. Earning before income tax and accounting change. In 2006, 13,000. 13,281. In 2005, 100 12,319. In 2004, 3,000. 2,000. 2,400. 12,000 12,351. Provision for income tax. In 2006, 3,547. In 2005, 3,188. In 2004, 3,441. Earning before accounting change. In 2006, 9,734. In 2005, 9,131. 31. In 2004, 8,910. Cumulative effect of accounting change. In 2006, 0. In 2004, in 2005, 212. In 2005, 0. Net earnings. In 2006, $9,734. In 2005, $8,919. In 2004, $1,910. Purchase Purchase amounts Purchase amounts before accounting change. Diluted earning per share in 2006, $1.22. In 2005, 1.16. In 2004, $1.13. Basic earnings per share in 2006, $1.23. In 2005, $1.17. In 2004, $1.14. $4. Per share amounts after accounting change. Dilute earnings per share $1.22 in 2005, $1.13 in 2004, $1.13. Basic earnings per share in 2006, $1.23 in 2005, $1.14 in 2004, in 2008, $1.14. Defendants declared per share $0.49 in 2005, $0.446 in 2004, one $0.45. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.